Hello, everyone. This is Dale Howard, the Director of Education for Progility. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our Progility On Demand webinar series on tips and tricks for using Microsoft Project more effectively. In our first set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to use textiles to provide automatic cell background formatting and font formatting. Even though I'll assume that you already know how to apply cell background formatting to highlight tasks of interest, let's go ahead and review that just in case. In this particular project, there are 3 tasks that were just added through a change control process. They are tasks 22, 24, and 25. I want to apply cell background formatting to them to make those 3 tasks stand out. Here's how to do it. I'll click the ID number for the first task, press and hold the Control key. I'll select tasks 24 and 25 as well. With the 3 tasks selected, we go to the font section of the ribbon, click the cell background color pick list, and choose the color we want to use. In my case, I like to use light green to represent tasks that have been added through a change control process. And there we go. All 3 are highlighted. And by the way, if I drag the split bar all the way over, notice the highlighting applies all the way across the task list. Now, the other thing I'd like to do is I'd like to format all of the summary tasks with a medium blue color, but I don't want to have to do this to all of the tasks one at a time. That's way too much work. This is where we can use the text styles dialog. To get there, we'll go to the Format tab to display the Format ribbon. And on the far left end, click the Textiles button. In the Textiles dialog, there's an Item to Change pick list at the very top. This shows you all of the different types of items whose cell background formatting you can change. Well, I'm interested in all of the summary tasks, so I'll select Summary Tasks. And then I'll click the Background Color Pick List button. And I'd like this medium blue, this blue lighter 60% color. So when I click OK, look at that. If I scroll down through the project, see, every summary task now has the blue cell background color applied. Here's what I'd also like to do. I'd like to format the font style for all of the milestones to make those tasks appear as a purple bold-faced color, and I want the milestone symbol out here in the Gantt chart pane to also be purple. Here's how to do that. We'll go back to the Textiles dialog. We'll click the Item to Change pick list. We'll choose Milestone Tasks. The color of the font will be purple. The font style will be bold. When I click OK, look at there. Every milestone is now purple bold formatting. To change the color of the milestone symbol, here's how to do that. Double-click anywhere in the white or gray part of the Gantt chart pane. That displays the Bar Styles dialog. Then select the milestone item, and at the bottom of the dialog, click the Color Pick List and choose the color you want the milestone symbol to appear. We'll click purple again. I'll click OK. And there we go. The milestones are now purple. And you can see as a bonus, the link lines coming out of each milestone are purple as well. In our second set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to use the marked column with automatic task formatting. In my previous demo, I showed you how to use the textiles dialog to automatically format particular types of tasks, such as summary tasks or milestones. In this demo, I want to show you how to use the marked column to automatically format tasks of interest to you. In my particular project, I would like to mark and format every task that has a duration that is 3 weeks or longer. Those are potentially tasks that could slip and impact the finish date of our entire project. So before I insert the marked column, let's go ahead and do a filter. And we're going to do is greater than or equal to 15 days. All right, so there's the tasks I'm interested in. Next, we'll right-click on the duration column header. We'll insert a column, and I'll type MAR, and there it is, the marked column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark with a yes value every task that has a duration that is 3 weeks or longer. Now, I did want you to know, to save a little bit of time, I have pre-marked some of the tasks in the schedule with yes values, so you don't have to sit here and watch me marking everything as a yes. So we'll run down the list here. Okay, so there we go. All right, so everything that is 3 weeks or longer has now been marked. So what I'd like to show is automatic cell background formatting with a light orange color for all of the marked tasks. So here's how to do that. Go to the Format tab to display the Format ribbon. Go to the Textiles dialog. And in the Textiles dialog, click the Item to Change Pick List. You will discover, lo and behold, there is an item called Marked Tasks. So now for the background color, I'd like this to be a lighter orange, like orange lighter 60%. We'll go ahead and click OK. And then I'll press the F3 function key to remove the filter. So as we scroll down through, look, every task that is 3 weeks or longer is formatted with the orange cell background color. So let's go ahead and hide the marked column at this point, and we'll drag the split bar over here. Now the other thing I want to show you how to do is to make the Gantt bar for any marked task appear as the same color or any color of your choice. To do this, double-click anywhere in the white or gray part of the Gantt chart pane. That will display the Bar Styles dialog. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list of items. And I'm going to call this Long Duration Tasks. There we go. And then for the appearance, we'll use the shape as it is. The color will be solid. And the formatting for the color will be orange lighter 60%, just like that. And then in the Show For Tasks column, what type of tasks will receive this Gantt bar formatting when I click the Pick List? There it is, ladies and gentlemen. When I click OK, let's see what happens. Look at this. Every task where the task itself is marked with the orange cell background formatting, its accompanying Gantt bar also has the same color formatting. Has this webinar generated interest in our services and solutions? If so, please contact Sarah Howard using the contact information shown on this slide. Also, don't forget to visit our website and our blog page as well. Thanks for watching our on-demand webinar today.